Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, roof rails, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, steering wheel controls, remote start, cruise control, power outlet, cup holders. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.